Oh my god. Oh my god. Is this recording? Guys, do you see the title of this video? Cheap Finds Friday is back? Maybe. If we find something, I'm out here with David Got Kicks.
Hey guys, thanks for letting me back on the channel.
The man of the hour. Once again, we had our problems, but we settled everything out, and he is marrying my sister now.
I have to, dude. I gotta get in the family some way.
He's right, he's right. So, today we're gonna be going through the San Jose flea market on Capitol. And we're gonna be trying to find some good stuff, because it's been a minute since we've done a Cheap Finds Friday, and I've been missing the flea market, honestly. So, today looks super packed. I'm ready. David, are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's freaking go. We're rocking the KFC Crocs. We got the fried chicken giblets on deck. See that? Negotiation powers are gonna be mighty fine this morning. David got the Ultra Boost on. 49ers tee, the vintage. And oh dude, that mask though.
You like it?
Did you make that?
I did make it.
Where can they buy one?
We can't.
Dang, okay. For some reason, it's extra packed today. I don't know why. It's just, it usually stops at a certain point, but it looked like from where we were that it just kept continuing with vendors. So hopefully that's a good sign for today. $1 each for entry, guys. Thank you. All right, and we're in. I'm gonna try to be recording on the low key because, you know how it is.
Where's your backpack setup?
We're not running the backpack setup today. Oh my gosh, look at all the candies. Guys, I just got finessed so hard.
Clickbaited.
Clickbaited. So you know those like, those really long Canon lenses? It's like a telephoto lens or something like that. They're a couple $1,000s, and I saw one on a table and I was like, what the hell? Why is this here? So I went in and grabbed for it and it felt hollow. And it was a freaking cup. It was a lens cup. Oh man, finessed.
We got blue balled.
I found your luggage. The OG Tiffany luggage.
That is mine. Someone cleaned me out. You know, I lost mine the other day too.
Oh, let's go get it back. Lately, David has been into collecting Mario and Luigi stuff. We found a nice one right here. It looks brand new. How much would you buy that for?
Honestly, probably $5.
$5. All right.
5? You take one?
Okay, David just came up. We got a Luigi.
You know how much I paid?
How much did you pay?
$1.
Are you sure? Can we?
You take one?
Oh sheesh! They got the wood shoes on deck. I don't know what they're called. Clogs? Clogs. Made out of a good old tree.
Don't you guys wear those where you're from?
What do you mean, you guys?
What?
What? Got a nice and colorful Winnie the Pooh blanket. I love the colors on this. Looks a little musty though, but kind of fire. I'm getting a big Paul Cantu vibe with this one. Shout out to the homie Paul. Hope all is well, bro. Oh my God. If you guys had this when you were a child, you had a good childhood. Comment down below right now. Do you remember this? This was the OG game.
None of us ever went to chess club, Alex.
We got the hand sanitizer syrup bottle. Oh, we got 2 pieces right here. Pick one, David.
Pick this one.
All right, I'll go with that one.
I got it. We get it?
Yep.
Go half.
How much?
20.
Can you do $1?
Yeah, $2.
Okay. That Giants jacket is pretty nice. Let's see the back, David. Okay.
This back or this back?
Ooh.
Oh. You're not recording, right?
Wait, hold on. Let me negotiate for this. Yeah. How much for this?
20.
Can you do $1?
No.
$2?
3.
2.
3.
Dos.
Okay.
Okay. Oh I'm just trying to think of like what's going on in the vendor's head when they just see us goofing around in front of their product. Like they're probably not feeling it, to be honest. Okay, we're about halfway through the flea market. It was we found some stuff, but it's a little bit dry. We're gonna see if we can find something more interesting for you guys to see. I've been seeing a lot of stuff like power tools and things of that nature, but we're looking for juicy stuff, man. Juicy content for you guys. Your boy already got a few compliments on the Crocs. Oh my God. Oh my god.
Bro, the guy looked at you so weird. He was like, what the hell?
It's content, man. It's content for you guys. If you're enjoying this, smash the like button. Hands down, this is the best smelling lotion I've ever had. I'm gonna put y'all on the OG one. Ooh, hello there. So, dude, guys, I feel so stupid right now, but I just realized Florida. Wow, mind blown. Look at this truck. Some of the trucks out here, this got some crazy graffiti on it. There's 2 pieces of Marios.
I'm shy.
2 pieces of Marios that David wants. You just have to go in with the BDE. Do you want me to do it? 2 for $5. Sometimes you just gotta name your own price.
Feel bad.
They won't take it if they're not comfortable with taking it. That's the thing.
50.
You do 10 for both? Or no?
No.
Mad tripping on that price.
Bro, 10?
Dude, a little Mario. He wanted 10 bucks. And then this other piece he wanted 15s for.
That doesn't make sense, dude.
Dude, it was way overpriced. It's because he knew you're freaking carrying that, man.
Okay, you hold this. No,
¿Cuánto para Jesús Cristo? Did I say that right?
That's sacrilege, it's not cool.
Did I say that right though?
Sure.
Alright, bet. Dude, they got a freaking boat motor. Woo-hoo. This could be us, but you playing. Another OG game. And Lincoln Logs. This and Lincoln Logs. Fire. Wait, David, isn't that your bike?
Dude.
What the hell?
Hell no, dude. What the hell?
That is, right?
Yeah.
Got a Nintendo 64 here with some games. Doesn't look like it's in bad condition, but I don't know. See how much this is worth. Dude wanted $80 just for the system. I think he's tripping. Seems a little overpriced, in my opinion. Just my opinion. I don't know.
They're kind of like around that price, but especially here at the flea market, that's like a lot. Someone has a Super Nintendo controller, which looks cool, you know, to display because your boy's been on his Nintendo hype lately. But he's asking $5 for it. It's kind of yellow.
It's pretty used.
It is super used. He has $5 for it, but I kind of want to go up to him and ask him for like $2 maybe.
$2. Will David come out in this deal?
$2, take it or leave it. He looks like he's not selling anything either, so maybe he might have to take it.
Are you trying to take advantage of him?
I'm just trying to
I'm just kidding, let's go.
Shut up, dude. Shut the hell up, dude.
Okay. Quick update.
I offered the guy $2. He said no, didn't even nudge. There was no playroom. It's okay, we'll come back, we'll get him next time.
Here's a prime example of the dope trucks that they have out here. Look at the artwork on this thing. That's crazy. You know how much time that probably took? On the side of a truck. That's crazy. Yo, I used to want one of these when I was a kid. That'd be so lit. George Washington sewing machine out here. Okay. We got Colin's wig. Comment down below if you guys remember Colin. And oh my god, look at all. Is that an iPhone 2G or 3? 8 gigs? Whoa. Bro, do you see what I see?
Whoa.
You know how much that's worth?
100,000?
100,000 million, bajillion. That's the Mona Lisa. Her eyes follow you, man.
Mario Ball from 2006.
How much is that worth? $1?
To me, it's worth $1.
$1. All right. Anything more?
No.
No. Just a little touch up with some Angelus paint. Let's see if David gets it.
Hold it actually? Or
oh yeah. Negotiation tactic. Every time he holds this, they want to give him a higher price. I feel like I'm a kid right now. Like, why am I holding this? You got it? How much? $1. All right.
A little touch up with Angelus.
Yeah.
And you're good to go.
What is it? A ball?
Just a ball. But it's cool because I don't know. You don't really see these.
Does it squeak?
No.
Is it like for a dog or?
I think it's just, I don't know.
Huh. All right. Now he has a friend.
Cool.
Now you got the thumbnail. Thumbnail, David. Oh my god, we found some black cement 3s here.
They look like 2001 too.
2017. Worn like they're 2001s. Oh man, my childhood. The Beyblades. All right, you guys, we are at the end of the flea market right now. Let's get that lighting right. Come on. There we go. David ended up coming up on 2 pieces right here. He got the Mario ball and Luigi doll.
Can't wait to go home. Just gonna.
Dude, I can't. I'm gonna censor that. I gotta censor that.
Censor it after I say.
Oh man, not sure how long this video is, but if you guys enjoy this Cheap Finds Friday, it's a little kind of introduction to what I want to bring back to this channel. If you guys enjoyed it, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to both of us. See you guys very soon for the next one. It's your boy Sneakerhead in the Bay, and
Here we got kicks.
we're out. Deuces. Dude, stop.
Leave that in there.
All right.
Leave the last one in there. They'd be like, what the hell was that?
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.